Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel, and I am so excited with today's video. Okay, so I think you may have seen, or maybe you haven't, my previous video that I did sometime in 2017 on PRIMA'S new travel notebooks at that time. And so now they came out with some new ones, and including this passport size. And I have been like a standard size travel notebook person for as long as I can remember. But just glimpsing this little tiny passport travel notebook, I think I am like already in love with it. So I wanted to open this up and share it with all of you, since there was such a big response from my last video that I thought you might be interested in this as well. And then I will link that video below too, so that you can see some of the other travel notebooks that Prima came out with. So I'm going to open this up and then be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this lovely little thing is outside of its packaging, and I just think it is so cute. There has this little tiny charm here that it just says Traveler's Journal, and it says Prima Traveler's Journal on there, and I'll put that up there so in case you can see that. I don't know if it'll come in focus or not, being that it's gold and all and shining with the light. But it's this really faint mint and pink roses, and there's little script, you know, all around the design. It is just really cute. Like, pink and green are my favorite colors. I mean, I like pink with all different kinds of colors, but pink and green especially are my favorite. And I mean, just look at that rose. It's just so beautiful. I just love this so much. And it has this nice little elastic around the outside. I'm going to take this off. It says Prima Marketing Ink. And then it's like a faux leather, and it's very substantial feeling. And I think with time this would probably really kind of loosen up a little bit, because right now it's kind of stiff. Now, I did hear some people say that on one of the Prima notebooks, or one of the Prima travel notebooks in particular, some of this started to rub off after use. I have not experienced that, but it is something I think that others have experienced and you might want to consider. So on the inside, it has this nice stitched leather feel, and again, it's not real leather. It is, I will tell you the name of it. It is called bonded leather, so it's not real. So I think those who don't want to have leather products will really appreciate this. But there's this nice little curved pocket here, and I believe it's right about the size to fit your passport, which is what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to keep my passport in here and any other traveling documents I need, and then I'm going to use one of these many little elastic rings to hold some little travel notebooks, which I'll show you in just a minute. There's a nice pen loop here, and it's still a little stiff, I would say. I don't know what size pen it'll fit. I don't think it'll fit this size, but let's try it. Well, it's going to fit, but it's going to be a little tough at first. But anyway, that will work just fine. And then there's 4 elastic bands on the inside. And if you are a travel notebook stuffer, and what I mean by that is you use like more than 4 travel notebooks, there is a way that you can use 2 or 3 on one elastic band. So anyway, let me show you. I mean, look at this little cute Prima Traveler's Journal in rose gold. And then this one, I should tell you, is the name of it is Minty Dreams. So I have some travel notebooks I'm going to open up, and then we'll put them inside here and see what it looks like. Okay, so I've opened up the 3 travel notebooks that I purchased. There were 4 of them, but I only got 3. And these are all blank on the inside. There's 64 pages. And the pages are pretty substantial, I would say. I'm not going to do an ink test because I don't want to mess up one of these little books with some ink yet, because I don't know what I'm going to use the individual books for yet. But I'm trying to find the middle point here, and we're going to start putting these on the inside. Okay, so I've got this one. So let's put it right in here. And you just slip it right inside the elastic, and it holds it nice and firm. And then I'm going to put the black one in next. I didn't see any other ones that were like grid or lines or anything like that. I only saw blank, but that doesn't mean they won't come out with them in the future, or that you might be able to get some somewhere else. You know, someone else might have passport inserts at this size. So this is what it looks like when I have 3 passport size notebooks on the inside. And when I open it, this is what it looks like to have these in here. These are so cute. I love this. I may have to make some dividers for this. I've been seeing a lot of people have, or not dividers, but dashboards. I've been seeing a lot of people have some dashboards in their travel notebooks, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm thinking about trying. So I might do that as well. But these are just so cute and adorable. I just love it. And let's just put this little pen in here. It'd be a perfect spot for a pen gem, I think. And there we go. We'll just wrap this around the outside. And I am all set. I love this. It is so cute. I love the Prima travel journals that I have already. And I use them all the time, even though I don't travel with them because I've been doing a lot of travel, but I do love them. And this one is like the perfect size to start traveling with, I think, for me personally. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you really liked seeing the new Prima Passport travel journal. And I will put links below to my previous video that I did on the Prima travel journals, and then I will put links if anybody wants to know where they can get this. I'll put links below as well. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.